Hey guys, Coins here, back with another YouTube video of antiques. And today in this YouTube video, there are a ton of flies buzzing around me because I'm out in my garage right now in the middle of a thunderstorm. And yeah, I'm just here to show you my really nice antique sewing machine, Treadle sewing machine. So here's the front part of it. Look down here like that. Really bad lighting. You know, looks real nice. Got the Singer logo. And yeah, right there. It's a little bit rusty. I love the details on this. So like, look at that. It's just amazing. Anyways, let me tell you a little bit of background about this sewing machine. So I got it at my work, and I work at a ranch. Believe it or not, yeah. Yeah, I work at a ranch. I work for True Ranches, and they had an old sewing machine. This one sitting out there, in the shop, you know, in the workshop. And I was like, what's this doing here? And they said, oh, we just found it and there's no use for it. I said, well, can I have it? And they said, yeah, sure, go ahead, you can go ahead and have it. And so here I am with this sewing machine now in my hands, and there's if you see my shadow going like, ooh, you know, it's because there's flies everywhere. But yeah, this is a sewing machine. There's still a ton of stuff in those two drawers, and there's not that much stuff in this drawer, and there is stuff in that drawer and in this drawer, obviously, but the bottom of this drawer is coming off. There's my cat. She lives out here in the garage. It's really messy out here, as you guys can see. Got turtles and life vests, and just had a wedding, and oh goodness, it's been a crazy week. Sorry I haven't uploaded, but yeah, here we go with the video. So in this first drawer here that I'm obviously going to be reviewing, just a bunch of different parts and pieces for the actual sewing machine. They clip on like that. That's what my grandma told me anyways. Yeah, these pieces just clip on right like that to make different sewing patterns, I believe. If I'm saying things wrong, please correct me, because I have no idea what I'm talking about. You know, it looks like that just clips on like that somehow. I don't know. Got one of these old shoe things. Put your feet in to make it easier. Put your shoe on. Got this, which is actually probably a part of the sewing machine, so it's probably a good thing that we have that. It might go right there. I have no idea what goes right there. But yeah, anyways, we got some whatever the heck these are, different stuff. Yeah, just some stuff. So yeah, now we're not gonna pick up this drawer because the bottom obviously is flying out. This drawer. It's really, the wood is like not good. Oh, there goes a piece. Yeah. Bring it over here. Again, I'm sorry for the lighting. We just got a ton of zippers, ton of nasty stuff. this is. I probably shouldn't be digging in there, to be honest. There's some, whatever the heck that is. Whatever the heck that is. I'm not that interested. You know, I'm not expert in sewing machines. This is the only thing in that middle cabinet. It's a, the points for the sewing machine, and it cost 5 cents back in the day. Just saying, they probably cost like $5 now. So yeah, let's set this one back on over here. Yeah, let's get whatever's in this drawer out. Ooh, that's coming apart like real nasty. Oh, there goes something. Yeah, the entire bottom of the... Whoa, there goes a ton of stuff. See, I have no idea what that is. Ah, it's a beer opener. Coles Light. Looks like a manual. Some cloth. Doesn't look too nice. Whatever that is. Just a ton of string. Yeah, whatever that is. Some paper. Oh, that's nice. A button. Got this. If you see me shaking like that, it's because there's flies, and I hate flies. So yeah, a ton of stuff in here. I have no idea what this stuff is. I'm just going through it. It has a scissors still with it. It's another one of those buttons. There's like a metal button. Looks very nice. I have no idea what this is. Some more metal buttons. Very nice. Just a ton of buttons. Basically, what is this? Looks like a DMC something. Another big button. Another one of those shiny buttons. Ooh. It's real shiny. I like that. Got an unused bullet right here. Very nice. I could probably use that sometime. You know? We love guns. I like guns, anyways. Ton of other things, wood, stuff. Do my way on through here. And yeah, that's what's in there. I'm gonna keep those buttons out and stuff that I found. This is really fragile. I'm gonna be redoing this entire top, by the way. Yeah. Let's take out the bottom drawer. Here comes the rain of the storm. Oh, what's this? Needles. Nice. Oh, and look, it might. Where those are? I don't know. Here's the top to that. Got some more needles in there. That is some storm. Whatever that stuff is. 25 cents, 15 cents for a button. Just one button, looks like. Got a Gillette razor, it looks like. Ton of other stuff, needles. Whatever that is. Another one of those Gillette steel blade. Oh. So this is a blade on the sides, okay. Got another button. Let's see. What's this? Another button. I'm a button collector now, guys. Change my YouTube channel name to GR Buttons or no, just kidding. Just kidding. There's buttons everywhere. There's a button. Here's a button. Sorry for that noise. It's rain. What's this? Try it. Chapstick. Dry rough lips. Interesting. Nothing else that really pops out. I might take those out. They're kind of cool. I don't want to comb through my finger that much. Definitely gonna wash after this because this is gross. 100% gross. Yeah. That's disgusting. Okay. Looks like we're done here. Looking at all the different things for the sewing machine. And yeah, that's gonna be it. The Treadle sewing machine actually still works. Focus here. Yeah, so it's still 100% working. Singer. Man, I'm getting pretty good at that. Am I right or am I right? Well, I'm obviously right. Because I'm the one who runs this YouTube channel. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this YouTube channel. Please tell me in the comments what all this stuff is. I've got another sewing machine video coming up very soon.